Use my code GURU while making any purchase on Qlelo to get 50 rupees off.
Hello guys, it's Keeping Guru here, and in this video I'm going to show you COLL without algorithm. In this video I'm going to teach you PyShape cases. So we have 6 cases for PyShape OLL. So first one, we have one vertical bar at right side. Second one, we have one vertical bar at left side. Then third one, we have one diagonal. We have one diagonal matching, right side diagonal. Then fourth one, we have one left side diagonal matching. Then fifth one, we have two vertical bar, means left side bar and right side bar. And last one, we have two diagonal bar. So starting with the first case, in which we have one vertical bar at right side. So you have to do nothing, you have to just solve like normal OLL. So generally keywords use this algo, or you can use to look algo 2 like this one, and your corners will be solved. Second case is little hard, so I will going to teach you at the end of this video. Third one, we have one diagonal solve. I name this case as a left side diagonal because this diagonal start with from left corner. So to solve this, we have to just use a PLL, which is GPUM. So you have to use this GPUM with a little with some setup. So we solve this case like R2 F2 RU2 RU2, then R dash F, then sexy move and insert like this. But in this case we have to use just R dash at the start instead of R2 R dash F2 RU2 RU2 R dash. Then here we doing F and sexy move, but in this case we do F2 and insert this F12 pair. So I will show you again. Instead of R2 you have to just do R dash, and same like GPUM F2 RU2 RU2 R dash. Then at this stage you have to do F2 and insert this F12 pair. In next case we have one right side diagonal because this diagonal starts from right side. So to solve this we have to just remove this F12 pair and then insert it like sledgehammer. And before doing F dash you have to do two sexy move and then do F dash, then your corner will be solved. In this case we have two vertical bar, one at left side, one at right side. So to solve this case you have to just remove one F12 pair at right side like this, and do anti-soon at this side like this. But before doing U2 you have to just solve this side and normal anti-soon, and your corner will be solved. And in fifth case, in which we have two diagonal, so to solve this you have to just use one PLL, which is FPUM. So in FPUM we solve like FPUM like this, and in the last we are doing one sexy move and insert this F12 pair. But in this case we are doing little bit different. So in this case we are doing like this, and instead of doing sexy move and insert we are doing just U dash and insert R dash U2 insert, and our corner will be solved. And finally at the end, the second case which I left for last because it's kinda hard to memorize, because I can't teach you all the cases without algorithm. So to solve this you have to just use the algorithm given on the screen. So I solve like this, I do R2 and D dash, then I assume I have to insert a 3 move, insert this pair like this and undo this D move, and I have to just place this corner at this position. But before doing this we are setting this edge also. Now this pair is set, so we are inserting this pair like this and inserting at back. So I will suggest you to follow the formula given on the screen and memorize this case in your muscle memory.